Welcome guys. Blind spot mirrors are a very affordable, cost-efficient way to improve driver safety by allowing you to see what's in your blind spot without turning your head. These small mirrors are especially helpful when driving in urban environments, where you could accidentally miss seeing a pedestrian or cyclist in your blind spot. You can get yourself a pair for about the price of lunch, improving your safety and the safety of those around you. Today in this video, Automotive Care listed 5 best blind spot mirrors in 2021. We have also included links in the description box down below. Let's move towards the list. Number 5, AMPHA Blind Spot Mirror. AMPHA Blind Spot Mirror equipped with super strong 3M adhesive and tiny adjustable swivel mounting bracket for easy installation. Press down hard when the mirror is stick to the black pivot base, it is more firmly stick and will not fall off from the pivot base. With adjustable swivel mounting bracket offer better visibility, it maximize your view with a wide angle. Don't worry about if there is a car next to us while changing lanes. It increase safety by eliminating blind spots for safer driving. It is waterproof, rust resistant and the glass will not haze. Guaranteed durability with 3M adhesive, so don't worry about the mirrors falling off or tear off without leaving marks. It is suitable for interior or exterior use and can be used as a rear view mirror in the car to better ensure the safety of the family. The HD glass curved has ultra-thin design. The flexible convex shape of blind spot mirror helps you to forecast the next surroundings when passing or changing lanes. This blind spot mirror is available on Amazon. Number 4, Libaway Blind Spot Mirror. Libaway blind spot mirrors provide broad vision on either side of cars. It eliminate blind spots, increase driving safety and prevent accidents, particularly at high speeds on busy motorways. So no blind spots anymore. This 360 degrees rotation plus 20 degrees sway adjustable side mirror blind spot maximize your view with wide angle in car to avoid any accident or collision during lane change or reversing. This blind side mirrors are made by waterproof and the HD glass will not haze. Each blind spot mirror stick-on comes with super strong 3M adhesive that keeps them firmly in place. It takes seconds to install but makes lifetime safe. This blind spot mirrors is for cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs and vans. It is suitable for interior or exterior use and can be used as a rear view mirror in the car to ensure the safety of the family or passenger side mirror to observe the vehicle before getting off. This blind spot mirror is available on Amazon. Number 3, Lifty Blind Spot Mirror. Lifty blind spot mirror comes with 2 pieces packaged. This newest blind spot mirror upgrade 360 degree rotate and sway adjustable maximize your view with wide angle in car. All convex spot mirrors are equipped with tiny adjustable swivel mounting bracket for easy installation. These convex mirrors increase safety by eliminating blind spots for safer driving when passing and changing lanes on any road. It is perfect for any car, van, SUV and trucks. Lifty 2 inches HD glass curved blind spot mirror is frameless and has a slim design. It is IP65 waterproof and rust resistant. The convex ultra-thin HD glass has no haze rear view side mirror. Just clean your original car side mirror before applying it, and then stick this blind spot mirrors to the mounting bracket and install them on side rear view mirrors. This blind spot mirror is available on Amazon. Second last, AMPHA Blind Spot Mirror. AMPHA newest upgrade 360 degree rotate plus sway adjustable maximize your view with wide angle in car. It helps you to forecast the next surroundings when passing, changing lanes or parking. All convex spot mirrors are equipped with tiny adjustable swivel mounting bracket for easy installation. The 2 inches HD glass curved male face frameless ultra-thin slim design and equipped with 3M adhesive for pressure-sensitive tape installation. It is IP65 waterproof, rust-resistant and the glass will not haze. It is suitable for interior or exterior use. The flexible convex shape of blind spot mirror helps you to forecast the next surroundings when passing or changing lanes. Clean your original car side mirror with alcohol or some other cleaning products. Press down a little hard when attach the blind spot mirror to side mirror. This is very important to prevent fall off from side mirror. It is all universal vehicles fit accessory like truck, car, SUV, RVs and vans. This blind spot mirror is available on Amazon, and the last one, Utopic car blind spot mirror. This blind spot mirror was designed with the conservative customer in mind. It has an oval shape, which maintains that circular traditional shape on one side, and it extends longer to make the mirror more efficient. This is Utopic car's smallest blind spot mirror, which means it can be used in smaller cars or cars with small door mirrors. It's use-only outdoor and water-rated 3M brand adhesive and high-reflective silver film mirrors that won't fade with sea salt. Peel the pre-applied adhesive foam from the mirrors and stick mirrors to the plastic bases and install on car mirror. When changing lanes or merging highways and not knowing if there is a car right next to us, it is a horrible feeling for you and for the other driver. That's why Utopic are unique engineer design for better visibility. Utopic car mirrors were designed to blend in and look like a car original part or OEM. This blind spot mirror is available on Amazon. These 5 are the best blind spot mirror. You can choose any one for your use. For more information about all these blind spot mirrors, visit to the links in the description box. Please like the video, share your ideas in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for the next upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, goodbye.